Keanu Charles Reeves, born September 2, 1964, is a Canadian actor and musician. The recipient of numerous accolades in a career on screen spanning for decades, he is known for his leading roles in action films, his amiable public image, and his philanthropic efforts. In 2020, the New York Times ranked him as the fourth greatest actor of the 21st century, and in 2022, Time magazine named him one of the 100 most influential people in the world. Born in Beirut and raised in Toronto, Reeves made his acting debut in the Canadian television series Hangin In before making his feature film debut in Youngblood. He had his breakthrough role in the science fiction comedies Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure and Bill and Ted's Bogus Journey. He gained praise for playing a hustler in the independent drama My Own Private Idaho and established himself as an action hero with leading roles in Point Break and Speed. Reeves's performance in the horror film The Devil's Advocate was well received. Greater stardom came with his role as Neo in The Matrix. Reeves became the highest-paid actor for a single production for reprising the role in its 2003 sequels Reloaded and Revolutions. He also played John Constantine in Constantine. Reeves is a member of the musical band Dogstar, releasing albums including Somewhere Between the Power Lines and Palm Trees. He is the co-writer and creator of the BRZRKR franchise, which started with the original comic book and since expanded to include numerous spin-offs, including the Book of Elsewhere. An avid motorcyclist, Reeves is the co-founder of the custom manufacturer Arch Motorcycle. He also co-founded the production company Company Films. Keanu Charles Reeves was born in Beirut, Lebanon, on September 2, 1964, the son of Patricia, a costume designer and performer, and Samuel Nowlin Reeves Jr. His mother is English. Originating from Essex, his American father is from Hawaii and is of native Hawaiian, Chinese, English, and Portuguese descent. Reeves's paternal grandmother is of Hawaiian and Chinese descent. His mother was working in Beirut when she met his father, who abandoned his wife and family when Reeves was 3 years old. Reeves last met his father on the Hawaiian island of Kauai when he was 13. After his parents divorced in 1966, his mother moved the family to Sydney, Australia, and then to New York City, where she married Paul Aaron, a Broadway and Hollywood director, in 1970. The couple moved to Toronto and divorced in 1971. When Reeves was 9, he took part in a theater production of Damn Yankees. Aaron remained close to Reeves, offering him advice and recommending him a job at the Hedgerow Theater in Pennsylvania. Reeves's mother married Robert Miller, a rock music promoter, in 1976. The couple divorced in 1980. Personal life. In 1998, Reeves met director David Lynch's assistant Jennifer Syme at a party thrown for his band Dog Star, and they started dating. On December 24, 1999, Syme gave birth 8 months into her pregnancy to the couple's child, who was stillborn. The couple broke up several weeks afterward, but later reconciled. On April 2, 2001, Syme was killed when her vehicle collided with 3 parked cars on Cahuenga Boulevard in Los Angeles. Syme had been under the influence and also not belted in. Reeves told investigators that they were back together and had brunch together in San Francisco the day before the accident. Reeves acted as a pallbearer for Syme, who was buried next to their daughter. He was scheduled to film the sequels to The Matrix the following spring, but sought peace and time, according to friend Brett Domrose of Dog Star. Reeves has also been romantically linked to longtime friend and filmmaker Brenda Davis, to whose child he is godfather, and model actress China Chow. Reeves also maintains a close friendship with his Bram Stoker's Dracula co-star Winona Ryder. After taking part in a wedding scene with a Romanian priest for the film, they still call each other husband and wife when speaking personally. In 2009, Reeves met Alexandra Grant at a dinner party. They went on to collaborate on 2 books together. They went public with their relationship in November 2019. In October 2024, Reeves made his motorsport debut in the Toyota GR Cup North America, where he finished in 25th on Race 1 and 24th on Race 2 at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.